By using the best technologies available on the market in this plant, natural gas is subjected to the following processes: separation of liquids from the processed gas stream, sweetening of the gas with regenerative amine technology, dehydration with molecular sieve, cooling and recovery of liquefiables through cryogenic technology, sweet gas compression, conditioning of condensates, recovery of LPG and naphtha, storage and distribution of LPG and naphthas. The process begins with the reception of the sour wet gas from the EMC Papan plant under the responsibility of Petróleos Mexicanos, and for volumetric and content control purposes, it goes through a custody transfer measurement skid. Subsequently, the sour wet gas goes through a separation process, entering slug catcher type suction separators, where liquids and contaminants are removed. The gas passes through a 16-inch diameter line that has a bypass which redirects the flow to a gas burner, if necessary. In normal operation, the gas is directed to the inlet dry cooler, where the temperature of the incoming gas is reduced, cooling the gas that enters the inlet separators, where the liquefiables that condense due to the effect of the temperature change in the cooling are separated. The gas from the separation process is sent to the sweetening module, entering the contacting towers, where the sour gas sweetening process is carried out using amine generation technology, which promotes highly efficient hydrogen sulfide, or H2S, absorption. As part of the process, a stream of acid gas comes out of the contactor towers, which is sent to the incinerator, where it is destroyed. Meanwhile, the sweet gas, already free of H2S, is directed to the dehydration module with a molecular sieve based on solid desiccants, a process that operates under the principle of adsorption, which involves a form of addition between the particles of the solid desiccant and the water vapor in the gas, in such a way that the water contained in the sweet gas will be adsorbed. Subsequently, the gas is sent to the cryogenic cooling module, where the gas temperature is brought to -50 degrees centigrade. Cooled through a turbo expansion process, where the liquefiable components of the gas are condensed and separated to be conducted to the demethanizer towers, where methane is extracted. At the same time, the liquefiable components of the gas are directed to the debutanizer tower in order to extract the butane and propane that they contain and direct them towards the LP gas storage bullets. Then, the condensates are sent to the condensate stabilizer tower to be later stored in the naphtha tanks. The gas previously conditioned to dew point in the mechanical refrigeration skids and cooled in the liquefiable cooling and recovery system is directed to the compression system made up of 5 reciprocating compression modules, where the increase in pressure and temperature of gas is produced, leading to the residual gas discharge filter and sent to the custody transfer measurement skid to be quantified and incorporated into the 30-feet gas pipeline. On one instance, the LP gas coming from the debutanizer tower is sent to the storage area that consists of 5 LP gas storage bullets, and on the other, the stabilized condensates are sent to the naphtha storage tanks. The plant has a digital monitoring and control system to ensure the proper functioning of the facility. This system consists of fire and gas detection system and fire suppression, digital process monitoring and control system, or SDMC, emergency stop system, custody transfer measurement system. All plant operations are monitored 24/7, and it has a system capable of sending digital and analog communication signals to the emergency shutdown system to carry out the pertinent actions and safeguard the integrity of the plant and the personnel. Being part of its strategy to promote sustainable development practices through the reduction of methane gas emissions and the use of resources. In this way, Coastal Dynamic contribute to reversing the drop in gas production and achieving energy self-sufficiency for Mexico.